Former Karnataka Chief Minister Yediyurappa's re-entry into the BJP might have not gone down too well for many others within the party, with differences cropping up between the state leadership and BSY over the choice of candidates for the upcoming elections. Will the apparent cracks within the party then create trouble for the BJP, at least in the long run?
He has been leaving no stone unturned, hoping to consolidate political forces to ensure the BJP gives a spectacular performance in the upcoming 2014 battle.
दिल्ली में आप मुझे बिठाओगे, मैं विकास का काम करूंगा.
But when it comes to Karnataka, Narendra Modi may have to deal with the party unit which is struggling to deal with infighting.
As you are telling, there is no much difference of opinion or dispute. We are working it out. We are confident we will sort out because when there are more aspirants, we have to discuss, deliberate and decide. That we are doing that process.
With Yediyurappa's return, the problems of Karnataka BJP also appear to be back, as the former Chief Minister is demanding tickets for his supporters.
Whatever names I am going to give to the president of our party, really they are ready to take important position to them, and everything is agreed.
A situation that the ruling Congress will do its best to take advantage of in the upcoming elections.
We have always been saying that BJP is not a united political party. Definitely this is going to have a fallout effect on the Lok Sabha elections. So we will try to take the maximum advantage of it.
The infighting within Karnataka BJP, not a good sign for a party which is hoping to score in all parts of India. As the state inches closer to witnessing Modi's mega rally, the infighting may prove to be a huge embarrassment for the BJP's prime ministerial candidate. Bureau Report, Times Now.